For important criteria in potato breeding, so we found many criteria for that. Important criteria in potato breeding include disease resistant, developing variety resist common diseases like late blight and virus. Yield potential. Focus on maximizing tuber production in ensure economic viability. Tuber qualities. Enhancing that size, shape, skin color, and cooking qualities market preference. Maturity. Selection for various maturation periods suit different growing seasons. Stress tolerance. Breeding for resist to avoid stress like drought, heat, and salinity. Storage ability. Improving storage criteria to prevent sprouting and maintaining quality. Nutrition value. Increasing level of vitamins and minerals to enhance health benefits. Adaptability. Ensuring varieties can thrive devices environmental conditions and soil types. These criteria helps breeder develop potato to meet both consumer demand and agriculture challenges. Okay, thank you.
Public participants' opinion first. Anybody? Okay.
Yesterday, Professor explained about the breeding selection of the varieties. Are there here? Because it is very important part for our researchers, no? Yeah. To develop climate adaptable. Here we have to mention that one also.
Here.
Adaptability
Climate,
of
adaptation and soil selection. And
Professor said that this variety earlier not performed well, and then after 13 years, according to the change of climate, he said that that variety performed well according to that climate change.
Yesterday when we in the field, actually the farmer said, I cultivate, then after the cultivation, then I do paddy cultivation.
Yeah.
So the irrigation system also changes. So sometimes that may affect to have the low production, low yield. I don't know, then doctor advised yesterday, so something else actually, because you were listening, I think one or two can say in the next presentation how the opinions can be accumulated to do some good production and all. So thank you very much for this group and well done. And we'll call for the next group. Clap your hands. Doctor's opinion.
Okay, I have some opinion.
Yeah. Please, opinion.
Okay, this is a good layout of important criteria in potato breeding, and I think the missing one is maturity of potato variety. So early variety, medium, late variety. Also, we have a dormance, but dormance period is also very important with the storage.
Dormant speed is also there.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, speed dormancy and yeah.
Maturity also there, early, medium.
Later you wrote down into it. Okay, okay, good. And also we have to divide into like a table potato and processing with the chips, French fries. With purpose of the breeding target is also very important.
They are cooking properties under tuber quality.
Tuber quality, taste, cooking, propose, okay, skin shape. Yeah, as the purpose of, yeah, like chipping variety, French fry variety have a difference in characteristics like sugar content, starch content, not only shape but also in the sugar content that has to be considered. And when I do breeding, I put the position for marketing. Okay. I know a market preference, but it's too short. And what you're going to do, market position, which means like targeting for young people, targeting for like housewife, targeting for like in the like McDonald's and fast food. So depending on those ones, it has to be position marketing, and I think that's about it. But I'd like to listen to in Sri Lanka conditions and how situations of variety now and how it will be helpful for the farmers to in future breeding programs to what kind of variety they need, and also breeding is very important for like disease resistance. And yesterday we visit the farms and we calculate what he did. We found that after farming he lost money, 1,500 rupee, because of 50% of cost of potency from the Netherlands. So, if there is no subsidies from the government, I think farmers will lose the money. So I think potato breeding becoming more important. Like yesterday, we found the La Pala variety they prefer because they become big and fast, so better yield. But they have problems with the potato seed. It's too expensive. It's just that's the issue. So in this sense, potato variety with strong resistant disease, especially virus, and also it has to be good type of plant, which means good type means like there is a type of light type, like a medium type, widespread type. So that influencing on the like attacking the disease. Also, it keeps the difference in humidity within the leaves or within the plantlet. So when I do breedings, I look at the also type of the plant, how type should be. Like we human beings, we all different types. So sometime if you go highland, potato becoming shorter. But springtime, potato become bigger. But in the springtime, in the fall time, the disease population, insect population is different. So I also look at how types should be good for each season. So this is another issue. Also, the type among types, how the potato photosynthesize better in each season. Some seasons better sunlight, longer day length than the other season. So this is also influencing on the habit of potatoes. So this all has to be considered in breeding potato varieties. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, Doctor. And thank you.